show ya Kitui, tunaingoja show ya Kitui. Mwezi wa 7 tutaenda Kitui, mwezi wa 7 tutaenda Kitui. Ria show na hiyo
akamba maitu ningumukethia bonthe bala moe mwamukiata na mutindiata nikwatia kilo mwende nesa chambe ni kumutungia muvea wi mwanya nundu wa support yenyu. Ngai na mwathime muno na imwone osio twende ikuinua na twende usupportiana na alama ta subscribe ite kindly mu consider ku subscribe mu like mu share na mu hit notification icon bell isu on nikiendela na upload video ukenda we wambe kuimba we notified. Umundi ni nene ya yulu wa our legend to celebrate miaka 26 kuma ila kijana watu tie na kweli ni legend. So kwa masito make etawa Charles Musyoki aka kijana wa Kimango. Kijana atutiete matuku 10 Julai gilile na kuma ibinda yuyonthe ni miaka 26 na bado nitumu celebrate yani mwi ambathisi yake sithau kwao na kutuika ni naitie ish pauitina tunewa copyright na maundu maingi lakini yo mbathisi yake ye motha kwa nundu for real I legend I mwini moseo niwe wa wika ukamba ibinda yutwa yandu anini pyu wanangi mayaya siae angi twayo siae obutwa ina tumiaka tonini twayo siana lakini like wewe nini wathi wake beats sia mbathisi yake usiwe ukakulia yani wona mundu usuta withao na no se omo no ku celebrate celeb mokamba mebo na matebo like mbathisi yake iyagua ono mundi andu imasina andu beats sisu ni musiwe yake la bandu nateka inaetiwe na ma restriction maingi simbwa bado andu mai celebrate ono wevo bado andu ima celebrate ya muno na no lilikana wa muno nundu tuya no na itu tuinesi kana nini mwene mbathisi wakwie like utesie kalanthi ukasisia ini ukasisia live stream space ndo imwe tutamanya no seo okilevinda pia nundu mai andu asio kula tui mai maceleb mokamba no seo tukamalilikana at least ona itu tukamana twaina ma legend na bado no mati andu ni mona kinarevo kativoi maima katompi na ingi muno on the bado no makunita we atawia ni mosete we osuta we na nando mama na muno maishani maito ko tuma celebrate ya ila tuina mo ila methao tuma celebrate ya na ekaini motabe kindu kimwe kimbwa be kindu unique kimbwa aini ne ama benga mayimbwa nelai kumanyangwa kumangana ndisekana mwaiwe ma scandal ma aini ama ito ndisekana mwaiwe unless yimbwe chini ya maji ku twakwata ibinda yaku celebrate ya ini ana ndo mama ana okamba natamba ya mokamba moyekala mutewite mbathisia benga ni mbathinseo ekandu masia asiji mbathisi ya satani na sia chao ini nengo sio ndenga iwanenganie na tu embrace andu aonthe nundu onthe to expect maine gospel onthe kila mundu talent yake kivyake na ngainda nenga andu aonthe talent ndai mutumanu ku kila mundu na kinengwe chake na pia tuma embrace muno chicho cha maana tuiketele tu embrace andu matethao tukasianganya ana emosio kana chao tuma embrace methao undu twasia kinara wona andu angi maicho mabia lakini uthithia mundu usundelewa mundu wetwa kinara niki andu asu onthe ni legends andu asu onthe mekuna gitani muno ni solo sit ondu unauma iwenesa niki nundu pia ana legend wokamba ukuna gitaa ni muno ni anaina kinengo kingi na inengo isu tuiwikia muthanga saingi ni kindu chwe kiuma muno andu ama kuite me very young like wasise kijana hakuye very young imagine only 30 years na saisu aumetie volume kadhaa like ambeye kwina ena 14 years ndoko bika 30 yesu anainete mbathi mpingi pyo bathi mbingi kwa tata imagine miage suwa kunie wathi Now you imagine you take thou embwa kunete volume cianata yani bai mundu musinda yu wimbwe kinara for sure Ngai ni umba mundu na talent mbingi nundu according to history we are talented kila bandu mara kuinani kukuna gitaa kusunga sionthe cia isiendo ciake so ndi siniki mundu la wimbwa mwathimanga muno kana mundu la musiango wenda atene like ukethio na ndana enjoy maisha but we according to history ni wa enjoy maisha muno yani wethia uyakite ni mundu waina akili ciake so ni wekie maundu maingi muno within 30 years isuwa inacio na ti 30 years nundu twase yu kembwa mbeiye kuina na 14 years twase miaka yesu kuma 14 kana twase kuma 15 to 30 isu 15 years paune we groishie kila kindu wethia ena ngali ena chau ena mali yake ena masumba make wakite yani mundu usu teke etho sahi embwe basa nae muno yani embwa aikita umio kamba anyway kila tutona kwasia ni may his soul and other legends soul keep resting in peace nando maitu na ni matuma ukamba pia utambulika ona matethao methao nundu mpathisio ciethao na isiende ya uthao kwa kilebinda niendo soma ka short history yake ba nundu nando ingi matesi about history yake ila waithao kou twenda pitio banini na toima nae kwa happening yata. It was on July 10th, 2000 when the country lost one of its most celebrated Kamba Benga artist, Charles Musyoki Kikumbe, popularly known as Kijana of Kimangu Boys Band. The musician died in a tragic road accident at Kadhekakai, just a few kilometers from Chumbi, while reportedly returning from a visit to his in-laws in Machinery following a domestic disagreement with his wife Marieta Musyoki. Born in 1970 in Idhekethini village, Kimangu Yatta Kijana was the son of Maria and Kikumbo Ketu. He began his education at Kaumoni Primary School and later proceeded to Kaumoni Secondary School. After completing his studies, he ventured into music, initially joining the Changanga Boys Band, led by Peter Mwambi, before later joining his brother's band, the now famous Kimangu Boys Band. Kijana's musical journey officially began in 1991 with his debut release, Leo ni Leo, Volume 1. Over the years, he produced a remarkable catalogue of hits, releasing a total of 20 albums during his lifetime. His popular songs included Mpenzi Ann, Volume 2, Wendosu, Volume 3, 1992, Mwaka wa Mikatiko, Volume 4, 1993, Kadogo, Sweet Mulalu, and Kunua Kiangi in subsequent volumes. In 1995, he released memorable tracks like Elimu ni Kitu Kizuri, Safari ya Kisii, and Show ya Kitui. Interestingly, he skipped Volume 13 for reasons he never disclosed, proceeding instead to Volume 14, Majibu ya Monyoncho, and others including Shida ya Kinyambu and Original Kuluta. His 1998 releases featured the hit Bomb Blast, and in 1999 he recorded Kadheka Kambo and Songs of the New Millennium, Volume 20, before his demise. Kijana had completed work on Volume 21, which remained unreleased. Following his death, his younger brother Chalo Jr. Ndiambo took over leadership of the Kimangu Boys Band. Under Chalo's stewardship, the band released Volume 22, Tumkumbuke Kijana, Volume 23, Mukasa wa Changuli, and Volume 24, Moi Mosi. Sadly, Chalo Jr. also passed away on March 23rd, 2002. Beyond music, Kijana was a businessman with investments in the matatu industry. He worked closely with Simon Munyoki of the original Line Sacco and owned 5 vehicles under his fleet. He was also active in politics as a member of the KANU Youth Wing. Kijana's personal life was as eventful as his career. He married Amina Ismail in 1994, but the two later separated. He then married Marieta Musyoki, whom he had supported through her education at Darajani Secondary School in Kibwezi, paying her school fees from Form 2. The couple had one son, Festus Kiku Kikumbi Jr., born in 1998. In 2016, Festus, following in his father's musical footsteps, released his debut track titled Pole Mashambiki, honoring his father's legacy. Today, 26 years after his passing, Charles Musyoki Kijana remains an iconic figure in Kamba music. His songs still enjoy airplay and continue to inspire both seasoned and upcoming banker musicians. His story is not just one of musical greatness, but also one of the deep community roots, entrepreneurial spirit, and enduring cultural influence. Wow. Nenda ni select some of the comment section onini twewe ando reaction ya ando twewe alama ebinda yu undu mekwasi kana imatendeye mathiko kana ni amboso mundu mokwasia. Nilikuwa mdogo, mazishi yake ilikuwa ya kimataifa. Nakumbuka tukipandishwa juu ya miti tuone watu kwao nyumbani. Keep resting in peace, Kamba icon, legendary. He sang passionately. He was the lethal in music composition until Kativoi rose from nowhere and did his thing to our hearts. The two guys are Yes and Amina. Wow. There is no any artist who has ever touched my heart like this handsome soul. May God continue resting this soul in eternal peace. Kijana Musyoki, forever in my heart and in my people's hearts. We cherish your work even in your absence. No one has ever met your standards, and don't believe there is one who shall ever come. Nakumbuka hiyo jioni vizuri, shosho akituambia nyinyi hamjasikia ajali ya kijana, mmekaa hapa tu. Sasa tungefanya nini? Continue resting in peace, legend. Couldn't forget your legacy left behind your name in terms of banker. Continue resting in peace. He was one of the best. Continue resting in peace. I was lucky to have seen Kijana once 4 years before his sudden passing in 2000. I was just a little boy then, but I still remember the moment. Someone carried me close to where he was performing, and I watched him deliver a live performance of Shoya Kitui. Many years later, in 2020, some friends and I visited his home where we met Marieta and his son Festus. The day ended with a group photo around his grave. Continue resting well, legend. Kweli kiukuki ite inachosa ola chenda. Twende olilikanna legends maitu alama tutie onebinda ila tutamesi nondo through mbadhisio ila twewa sie na wako kana sie thao maishani. Ni tumalilikana na tusoma live history sio na tukendewa ni performance sio maende na uthio mwana mugo ngithela tukakomana athimoya Kamba na muimbwa nebindesio.